Pacific Standard Time Tuesday. At 5:08 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain spreading across the warned area from west to east. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Oxnard, Thousand Oaks, Simi Valley, Ventura, Camarillo, Chatsworth, Moore Park, Santa Paula, Port Hueneme. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.